Using the copy command, I can copy objects or selected groups of objects and control the distance and the location that the copies are placed. I can pick the copy command from the tool palette. I can enter it from the keyboard as copy or its alias of CO. The first thing it asks is to select objects, so let's select this circle. When I'm done selecting objects, I hit enter, and it wants a base point of displacement. I'm going to choose the center of the circle using an object snap. And now it's going to copy this object, and it's prompting me for a relative distance and angle. So I could enter this from the keyboard. For example, if I wanted to place this copy 2 inches at 0 degrees from its present location, it allows me to do that. And you'll notice that the copy command continues. Because the default is set to multiple, it allows me to make multiple copies. The base point of displacement is still the center of the first circle. If I wanted to enter a relative amount right now, I could do that. Say I wanted to place another circle that was 2 on the X and 2 on the Y from the center of the circle. I could enter 2, comma, for the X and 2 for the Y, and hit enter, and it will place that circle there. To end the circle command, I hit enter, and it ends the command. I can also use my grips to activate the copy command. With no command active on the command line, I can click on an object to bring up its grips. In this case of the circle, I'm going to click on the center grip to be the base point. I'll right-click the mouse and choose copy. Now, using whatever method I choose, in this case I'm going to use an object snap to snap the copies to the endpoints of the lines on this rectangle. Now if I look up on my browser menu and under Edit, and looking down, I have copy and I have copy with base point. Now these are my standard Windows copy commands. Control C and paste is Control V, and Control Shift C will give me a copy with a base point. To use these, I would click and activate the object, and in this case I want a base point, so I'm going to say Shift Control C, and down here on the command line it says specify the base point, so I'm going to click on that center grip, and now I would do Control Shift V to paste it, and I can click and paste that down. But that's copied that circle to the clipboard. So that means that if I should go to another drawing, I would be able to use Control Shift V and click and paste that circle from the clipboard into another drawing.